Hello and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rohan, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use our support section. The Easy License support section is a great place to find information and articles on how to use the Easy License platform or solve any problems or issues you may be facing. There are two locations where we can find the support section. One is if we visit the Easy License website and click on the support button, which is in the top left hand side of the page. The other location we can find the support section is if we log into our instructor account by clicking on the instructor login page in the top right hand side and entering in our details. Once we have logged into our account, we can find the support section by clicking on the menu icon in the top right hand side of the page and clicking on support. Once we are in the support section, we'll find all the helpful articles to help us use our account or explain how things in the Easy License platform work. We can scroll down and click on an article to view it, or to speed up our search, we can use the search bar in the top right hand side of the page. I'm going to show you an example. So here I've typed in reschedule a booking, and now I'm going to click enter, and this will bring up one of the relevant articles for me to read. So I'm going to click on this one here, how to reschedule a booking from your calendar. Once I'm in the article, you will find a step-by-step guide on how to reschedule the booking. You will also see a video that explains how to do it too. To search for another article in the support section, you can either use the search bar again, or you can click on the Easy License support tab. Another quick point to note is that we also have articles to help support learners too. To find these articles, you can click on the Easy License support button just here. That will bring up this page, and then we can click this button that says Learners. This will then bring up a page that has articles to help learners. I'm going to show you another example of an article you could potentially send your learner. So I'm going to type in action and proposal in the search bar, click enter, and this will bring up the how to action a booking proposal article. If a learner messages you asking for help, you can send them the relevant article that can help them solve their problem by searching up the article and then copying the URL link that you'll find at the top of the page. You simply just need to right click on it, press copy, and then send this to them in a text message. They can then click on the link and it will bring them to this page. If at any time you'd like to talk to our customer service team, all you need to do is click on the Submit a Request button, which you'll find in the top right hand side of the page. Once you have arrived on this page, it's going to ask you to choose from one of the options below. You can choose I am a driving instructor. You can then fill in all the relevant information and tell us about the issue that you are facing. Our customer service team will do their very best to reply as soon as they possibly can. For any issues or problems that you're facing that you just don't know the answer to, we recommend that you use this Submit a Request function and talk to our customer service team. Thanks for watching the video and have a good day.